Sit in easy pose with your legs crossed comfortably, resting back of your hands on your knees, bringing your thumb and finger together for Gyan Mudra, and close your eyes. Begin to follow the flow of your breath in through your nose, down into your belly, and back out through your nose. Calm your mind by focusing on the sound of your breath. Let the belly expand as you inhale and draw the belly in as you exhale. Smooth out your breath. Take long, deep breaths here. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Inhale, raise your arms to the shoulder height. Exhale, side bend to your right, placing right arm to the ground and reaching the left arm over the ear. Make sure your left sitting bum is still firmly planted on the mat. Gaze up to the sky beyond your arm and breathe into the left side of your hips, side and shoulder as you stretch. Inhale and raise back to the center. Exhale, side bend to your left, placing your left arm to the ground and reaching the right arm over the ear. Make sure your right sitting bum is still firmly planted on the mat. Gaze up to the sky beyond your arm and breathe into the right side of your hips, side and shoulder as you stretch. Inhale, raise back to the center. Now bring yourself onto your hands and knees for the tabletop pose with knees under hips and wrist under your shoulders. Let's begin flow through cat and cow. As you inhale, come to the cow pose, letting the belly dip down as you lift the tailbone and lift the gaze. Exhale, round your spine into the cat pose, tucking the tailbone under and chin towards the chest. Keep flowing with your own breath. Inhale and dip the belly. Lift the gaze and exhale, round the back, pull the belly button towards the spine. Use your whole spine in this movement, from the top of your head to tailbone. Come back to the neutral spine. Now bring your knees little close together and your wrist under your shoulders. Engage your core and inhale, lift the right leg behind you. Exhale, lift the left arm forward. Keep your gaze on the floor, or for an extra challenge, gaze in front of you beyond your fingertip. Pull the belly button in towards the spine using core. Keep breathing. Exhale. Relax. Engage your core and inhale, lift the left leg beyond you. Exhale, lift the right arm forward, keeping your gaze on the floor. And for an extra challenge, gaze in front of your hand beyond the fingertips. Pull the belly button in towards the spine using core. Keep breathing. Exhale. Relax. From tabletop pose, sit the hips on the heels with the knees together for thunderbolt pose. Exhale, bring your head forward. Chin towards the chest. Inhale, raise your head to the center. Exhale, lift your chin towards the sky. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, tilt your head right ear over your right shoulder. Exhale, center. Tilt your left ear over the left shoulder. Exhale, turn your head all way to the right. Inhale, center. Turn your head to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, tuck your chin and inhale, roll your head to the right, making a big circle. Inhale to left, making a big circle. Lifting the chin and exhale, right back down. Inhale, back to the center. Now come to the standing mountain pose. Step your feet hip width apart. Inhale, raise your arms over the head. Exhale, keep your palms together in the side bend to your right. Inhale, raise back to the center. Exhale, curve your body to the left side. Feet firmly on the mat. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, curve to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, release your hands to your side. Let's flow through dynamic chair pose. As you exhale, bend your knees, sitting back in the chair, lifting the arms to the shoulder height. Inhale as you raise. Standing, exhale, bend your hips back like you are sitting on a chair. And inhale as you press your feet to rise standing. Sit nice and low. Now turn sideways on your mat and step your feet in a stable position, wider than your shoulders width. Turn your right toes to the short edge of the mat and inhale, lift your arm to the sides. Exhale, bend your right knee over the right leg. Then rest the right hand over the right knee, sweeping your left arm over the ear diagonally. Keep your right knee bent over the right ankle. Feel one long line of energy on your left side. Keep breathing and feel supported with your right hand over your knees. Inhale, rise back up to the center. Turn your left toe to the short edge of the mat. Exhale, bend your left knee over the left leg, then rest the left hand over the left knee, sweeping your right arm over the ear diagonally. Keep your left knee bent over the left ankle. Feel one long line of energy to your right side. Keep breathing and feel supported with the left hand over your knees. Inhale and rise back up to the center. Come to mountain pose. From mountain pose, come back to the thunderbolt pose. With knees together, setting your hips over the heels. Exhale, reach your arm forward, folding your chest over your thighs for child pose. Keep your hips touching your heels as much as you can and the rest of your forehead to the floor. Take few relaxing breaths here. Close your eyes and relax your lower back. Inhale, come back to the thunderbolt pose, sitting your spine tall. Now come to the seated position. From seated position, come into the stable position. Bring one knee placing to the right inner thigh. Folding your spine to your leg. Relax a bit more. Inhale, rise back to the seated. From seated position, come into the straddle position onto your left side. Bring your one knee placing the left inner thigh, folding your spine to your leg. Relaxing a bit more. Inhale, Rise back to the seated. Now bring yourself onto your back with your knees bent and your feet planted on the floor about hip width apart. Bring your heels close to your glutes. Reach your hands down by your hip palm facing ground for bridge pose. Press down into your feet and exhale. Roll your hip and spine off the ground. Press your arm and feet down to the floor, lifting your glutes. You can put your hands under your glutes to lift higher. Release your spine back slowly to the ground. Now bring your arms side in a T position and hug your knees over your chest. Engage your abdominal muscles and inhale, lower your knees to the right, not quite to the floor. Exhale, draw your knees back to the center. Inhale, lower your knees to the left but not all the way to the floor. Exhale, use your abs to get your knees off the ground. Now straighten your legs and bringing your hands down to your side. Palm facing up. Our final resting pose, Shavasana. Close your eyes and feel your body starting to relax deeply. Let your feet fall open naturally as you relax your legs. Palm face sky so your shoulder blade flat onto the floor. Tuck your chin slightly to the back of your neck is long. Let's take some deep breaths here. Into your nose, out through your mouth with a heavy sigh. Inhale deeply and exhale. Let it go. Surrender to the weight of gravity. There is no more effort needed. No more actions to be taken. Let your body restore all the benefits from this yoga session. Just let your body go.